Staplehurst, Nebraska has been using wood to create for 45 years.
I was a welder for 41 years. Welding isn't the same as woodworking, but I loved woodworking, so I wasn't that good of a welder.
Now, if you do it for 41 years, I bet you were okay.
I was okay.
Including the place he lives.
Cupboards are made out of walnut. No, I did this without knowing how to build a house.
Since building his home with recycled materials in the 80s, Stan creates cars, trains, planes, monster trucks, semis, fishing lures, wood crosses, and just about anything else he can come up with.
My biggest helper is Otis.
Now, why do you love woodworking so much?
This makes me happy. You know, I don't know why. I mean, I get slivers, I get fingers burnt, I get all my fingernails sanded down from the sander.
But he keeps coming back, something that was ingrained in Stan from a young age.
I work with a lot of oak simply because my dad was a walnut man. That's my dad.
I figured.
Yeah, I cut him out.
But what's truly unique about Stan's creations is where the wood comes from.
We get stuff on the side of the roads. The train I made in David City is made out of a bunk bed that I picked up from a friend of mine in Lincoln.
Oh, it's great. It draws a lot of traction. We get a lot of comments from people about it.
A true passion of Stan's has been guitar creation, something he's been doing since 2012.
And I've made a little over 350 of them now. They're amplifiable, they're playable. You can play any song you want to if you know how to play.
From cigar boxes, sink drains, dog dishes, military boxes. So do you actually play guitar?
No, I don't know how. This was my car, 67 DTO. It's painted with the same color. These are candle holders, but that's gonna be pretty cool one, I think, once I get it done.
Each one is truly unique, and about as unique as the folks who own one of his handmade masterpieces.
You know who Kane Brown is?
Yes.
My brother in Missouri's friend's daughter is married to a guy that plays guitar for him, and they asked me to build a guitar for him.
So cool.
And then Zach Brown was another one that a guitarist in his band also has one of my guitars.
Stan's visions prove that with a little imagination, anything he thinks of is possible.